Hello guys, today our topic, the most important topic, coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. This is the most important topic for 11th chemistry. So related topics అన్నీ మన ఛానల్లో ఉండి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో గైస్, coordinate covalent bond, you just remember that what is if you learn the coordinate covalent bond, so you just want to learn covalent bond also. So what is the difference between covalent bond and coordinate covalent? So this is the simple tricks I want to give this, so listen carefully. And so coming to the topic, so what is the covalent bond? In this covalent bond, I will give the simple tricks for this is the one family for wife and husband. So this is the husband get net salary per monthly, that is 10,000, and wife also get 10,000 salary per month. So net salary what, 20,000 for monthly in for one family. So in this you have to take the one atom P and another atom is Q. So in this P, donate the electrons to Q, and E also donate Q also donate the electrons to P. So in this what happens here, so P atom and Q atom donate the electrons to equality. So this is the covalent bond. This is the covalent bond, and electrons are equally donated. So electrons are equally donated. This is the covalent bond. So in this what happen here, P also one electron is there and Q also one electron is there. So these electrons are sharing both of them. So in this coordinate covalent bond, this is the another family anukondi. So this is the wife, husband get monthly salary for 10,000 20,000, and wife get not get the salary single rupee also. That means net salary how much, 20,000. So now you want to take the X atom and now you want to take the Y atom. So in this X atom, donate the electrons, 2 electrons, donate the 2 electrons to Y. That means 2 electrons will donate the electrons to Y, but Y empty space. That means no electrons to Y. So in this you just learn about X, Y sharing the electrons to only one atom. So this is the coordinate covalent bond. That means electron pairs comes only one atom. So this is the difference between covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond. So in this coordinate covalent bond, 2 electrons have only one atom. This one atom is donated to the 2 electrons to another atom, but another atom there is no electron, that is means empty space. This is the coordinate covalent bond. Electrons are equally donated, electron pairs come from only one atom. So coming to the coordinate covalent bond. So coming to the coordinate covalent bond, so you want to take that like one is lone pair, another is empty space. Just you take empty space. That means one is lone pair and this is one empty space. So now you have to take the one atom. That means you want to take the H2O water molecule. So OHH. In this oxygen valence electrons how much, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Actually you know all that oxygen valence electrons is 6. So here hydrogen is there and hydrogen is. When oxygen atom get octet rule, how many electrons we want? ఆక్సిజన్ ఆక్టెట్ రూల్ని కావాలి అంటే దానికి ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కావాలి? 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ కావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ 1 హైడ్రోజన్ 1 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ అండ్ అనదర్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఈజ్ 1 ఎలక్ట్రాన్. దట్ మీన్స్ here 1 electron and here 1 electron. That means these electrons form the one bond and these electrons form the one bond. So in this, what is this? Lone pair. And this is what? Lone pair. And this is what? Bond pair. And this one is what? Bond pair. సో జస్ట్ మీకు ఏది బాండ్ పేర్ ఏది లోన్ పేర్ అని తెలియాలి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బాండ్ పేర్ అండ్ బాండ్ పేర్, లోన్ పేర్, లోన్ పేర్. సో when this hydrogen and oxygen, so in this hydrogen and oxygen will share one electron each from, then form the covalent bond. That means hydrogen and oxygen will share one electron each from, then form the covalent bond. Oxygen has 1 electron and hydrogen is 1 electron. This will share the electrons to it form a covalent bond, and this also form a covalent bond. So listen carefully. So how we do find? So listen carefully. Consider one hydrogen atom. So that means you have to take the hydrogen, same as usual, water molecule. You have to take the one hydrogen atom, that means H plus. So this is the lone pair and you have the lone pair electrons, that means this one ankondi, and this is the empty space. So we know all that what is the coordinate covalent bond concept is electrons, lone pairs electrons and empty space. So you have to take the H plus ion, that is the empty space. Now what happen here? So oxygen is there and hydrogen is there and hydrogen is there. This hydrogen will comes and attach it to this oxygen. That means you write like this 1 2 3 4. Already this one electron is there and this electron is there, so another electron it will form and it will form. And what happens here, this hydrogen ion is attached to this hydrogen. So this is the coordinate covalent bond. So coming to the, now we have to find H3O plus in this octet rule. In this is octet rule is satisfied, and observe that now octet rule is satisfied 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So octet rule is satisfied. In this octet rule is observe that. So what happens here, bond formation. How it's bond the formation, that is oxygen is there and this hydrogen and oxygen, that means hydrogen is the one electron and oxygen is the one electron. It will form one bond. Another this hydrogen and oxygen form one bond, and this is the bond formed here. This bond is coordinate covalent bond. That means what is the empty space? Empty space electron ion H plus is attached to this. They form the coordinate covalent bond. So this is the plus hydronium ion. So what is this? Hydronium ion. So important ఏంటంటే the covalent bond in which one atom donates the shared pair of electron. So what happened, the covalent bond in which one atom donates the shared pair of electron. That means Here hydrogen ion formed is this is the covalent bond, and this is the covalent bond. This is the coordinate covalent bond. In this coordinate covalent bond is represented by an arrow mark. So this is the example. So another example, so give another example. You have to take the NH4 plus ammonia ion, NH4. So nitrogen, how many lone pairs electrons is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nitrogen valency electrons is 5. So how many electrons is there? 5. And H3 and then now you have to take the one hydrogen and one hydrogen. Another hydrogen is empty space. So now we have to write like this. So nitrogen valency octet rule ni satisfy cheyalante how many electrons you want? 3, right? Now this hydrogen, that means shared pair of electron is donated to this. Ante you know all that only 2 electrons, and that means lone pair electrons donated to Y atom. So in this is the lone pair electrons is donated to this. That means what happens here, this hydrogen and this hydrogen formed bond, and this hydrogen that means this electron and this electron form, and this also form, and this nitrogen lone pair electrons is shared this one. This is show the coordinate covalent bond. So this is the coordinate covalent. This is the covalent bond. This is the covalent bond. This is the covalent bond. This is only for coordinate covalent bond, and this coordinate covalent bond is represented by an arrow mark. So this is the ammonium ion. So this is the important topics, guys. And so exam wise, this is the notes. So in this coordinate covalent bond or dative bond, what I explained is this is the procedure. In this type of combination, both the electrons needed for sharing are contributed only by one atom. The atom which contributes the pair of electrons, that means lone pair, is known as donor, and the atom which accepts these electrons is called as the acceptor, and the coordinate bond is represented by an arrow pointing towards the acceptor. So this for the example I already told in explanation. So this is the donor and this is the acceptor. This is the ammonia ion plus. So this is the most important topic, guys. So all related topics మన ఛానల్లో ఉంది, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్.